Turmeric, the vibrant yellow powder nestled in your spice cabinet, has emerged as a highly discussed natural remedy among older adults in America. Perhaps you've begun incorporating it into your morning smoothie, your cup of tea, or even your oatmeal. There's a solid justification for that. Research indicates that turmeric may aid in diminishing inflammation, alleviating joint discomfort, promoting heart health, and potentially safeguarding your memory as you grow older. However, there's a little-known fact that many people are unaware of. If you're over 60 and incorporating turmeric into your routine, there are 3 specific foods you should definitely steer clear of pairing it with. These foods are neither rare nor exotic. These are common essentials that you'll find in nearly every American kitchen. Discover the everyday foods you may be consuming that could be causing unexpected harm when combined with turmeric. Combining turmeric with incompatible foods can diminish its healing properties, weaken its effects, or even transform it into a source of digestive discomfort and inflammation. The supplement you rely on for your health could actually be working against you. In this video, I'll guide you through the 3 foods you should avoid pairing with turmeric and reveal the reasons why they can pose risks. Next, I'll reveal 3 food pairings that enhance turmeric's benefits and significantly increase its effectiveness for your body. Grab your favorite warm drink, settle in, and let's enjoy this together. By the conclusion of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to utilize turmeric effectively, ensuring your body reaps all the benefits it rightfully deserves. What has led to the rising popularity of turmeric among older Americans? With age, a growing number of individuals begin to focus more intently on their well-being. Our joints experience increased stiffness. Our digestive health isn't what it once was. It's common to observe increased inflammation, a delay in recovery following physical activity, and occasionally our memory may not seem as sharp as it used to be. Aging brings about natural changes, yet they can significantly influence our daily feelings. That's why an increasing number of older adults throughout America are embracing natural remedies, time-honored solutions derived from the earth that have supported well-being for generations, all while avoiding the use of harsh chemicals. Turmeric stands out as one of the most sought-after natural remedies in today's wellness landscape. Chances are you've come across someone talking about turmeric lately. Perhaps your neighbor, your doctor, or a family member. Perhaps you've spotted it on the shelves of your grocery store, tucked away in capsules at the pharmacy or blended into health drinks and golden milk. Turmeric is frequently celebrated as a remarkable spice, and rightly so. Turmeric is packed with a potent compound known as curcumin. Turmeric's vibrant yellow hue comes from curcumin, a compound celebrated for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This product is designed to soothe joint inflammation, promote heart health, enhance digestion, and safeguard the brain against the impacts of aging. Turmeric is utilized in a variety of fascinating ways. Many blend it into warm water with a touch of honey each morning. Some incorporate it into their smoothies, stir it into soups, or opt for it in supplement form. It's straightforward, organic, and effortlessly fits into your everyday life. Yet there's an insight that many overlook. For turmeric to be effective, your body must absorb it properly. Unfortunately, curcumin, its active component, is not easily absorbed on its own. Research indicates that under improper conditions, your body might only take in a minuscule amount of the curcumin you ingest. Even if you're incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, you may not be reaping all the benefits it has to offer. It's crucial to note that some foods can hinder your body's capacity to absorb curcumin when consumed alongside turmeric. Certain foods may lead to undesirable side effects, particularly in older adults who often have more delicate digestion or other health issues to consider. Before you reach for your next turmeric supplement or blend that golden powder into your tea, it's crucial to understand what should not be combined with it. Next, I'll guide you through the 3 most common foods in nearly every American kitchen that you should avoid combining with turmeric. These combinations might be causing more harm than benefit, and gaining insight into them could significantly impact your health and wellness. 1. Dairy products that have undergone processing. What prevents them from harnessing the power of turmeric? Let's kick things off with a staple that graces nearly every American kitchen: dairy. Specifically, we're talking about processed dairy items such as American cheese slices, powdered creamers, sweetened flavored yogurts, and prepackaged shredded cheese. These products offer convenience and deliciousness, making them perfect for breakfast dishes or snacks. A delightful slice of cheese pairs perfectly with eggs. A splash of creamer transforms coffee into a creamy indulgence, and fruit yogurt makes for a refreshing snack. However, regarding turmeric, these foods may prove to be more detrimental than beneficial. Processed dairy frequently contains a variety of additives, preservatives, artificial flavors, stabilizers, and in certain instances, added sugars. These ingredients can complicate digestion, particularly for older adults who might already struggle with sensitive stomachs, acid reflux, or a sluggish metabolism. When your body has difficulty digesting your food, it also faces challenges in absorbing the accompanying nutrients, such as curcumin, the active compound found in turmeric. However, there's even more to discover. Research indicates that specific proteins found in dairy could bind to curcumin, hindering your body's ability to absorb it completely. Even if you're incorporating turmeric into your daily routine, the advantages may be hindered by the foods you pair it with. Consider this. Incorporating turmeric into your scrambled eggs alongside processed cheese may appear to be a nutritious choice, yet that cheese could be hindering your body from reaping the essential anti-inflammatory benefits. Turmeric lattes crafted with powdered creamers or sweetened dairy milk follow the same principle. If you love creamy textures or cozy turmeric beverages, you're in luck. There are fantastic alternatives available to you. Consider exploring unsweetened almond milk, oat milk, or even coconut milk. These plant-based options are gentler on the digestive system, reduce inflammation, and enable turmeric to perform at its best. They seamlessly integrate into beverages and soups, enhancing flavor without introducing any hidden ingredients that could hinder absorption. The main point to remember is straightforward. When incorporating turmeric into your wellness routine, it's best to steer clear of processed dairy whenever you can. Your joints, digestion, and overall wellness will express their gratitude. 2. Foods rich in vinegar. The impact of acidic ingredients on turmeric's advantages. Avoid combining turmeric with items that are rich in vinegar. Here are foods and condiments that boast a significant level of acidity. Bottled salad dressings, pickles, ketchup, mustard, and dishes featuring white or apple cider vinegar. These foods are staples in American households. A classic turkey sandwich adorned with crisp pickles, a refreshing green salad drizzled with zesty vinaigrette, or a delightful side of coleslaw straight from the deli. They appear quite harmless, however there lies a challenge. Turmeric is a subtle compound for optimal absorption by the body. Curcumin, the active ingredient, requires a stable environment. Combining it with highly acidic foods such as vinegar can lead to instability. This suggests that curcumin might degrade before your body has the opportunity to utilize it effectively. For individuals with sensitive stomachs or acid reflux, the pairing of turmeric with acidic foods can result in digestive issues, including discomfort, bloating, or heartburn. Numerous individuals incorporate turmeric into their salad dressings, believing it to be a beneficial option. Indeed, it is in theory. However, if that dressing is packed with vinegar or citrus juice, it could be causing more harm than benefit. While you may not notice immediate changes, over time it can restrict the advantages you gain from turmeric. What alternatives do you have? Elevate your salads by crafting your own with premium extra virgin olive oil, a splash of fresh lemon juice, and a dash of black pepper. This pairing is not just tasty, it enhances turmeric's absorption, thanks to the healthy fats in olive oil and the absorption-boosting properties of pepper. If you love pickles or sour condiments, consider enjoying them at a different time of day. Separate from your turmeric intake. Creating a buffer between acidic foods and turmeric can help maintain its advantages for your body. To sum it up, acidic foods aren't the villain. It's all about when and how you enjoy them. To maximize the benefits of turmeric, steer clear of pairing it directly with vinegar-based foods, particularly within the same meal. 3 sugary cereals and baked goods, the stealthy adversary of curcumin. Let's dive into a topic that evokes warmth, familiarity, and a touch of nostalgia. Sugary cereals and delightful baked goods. From a bowl of frosted flakes to kickstart your morning to a delightful blueberry muffin from your go-to coffee shop or a comforting slice of banana bread in the afternoon. These indulgences are woven into the daily rituals of countless individuals. Indeed, turmeric has gained popularity in these culinary creations as well. Perhaps you've come across turmeric muffins, turmeric pancakes, or granola bars that tout their health benefits. Sugar can trigger significant inflammation in the body. It rapidly elevates blood sugar levels, puts strain on your metabolism, and plays a role in the development of chronic issues such as heart disease, arthritis, and cognitive decline. Conversely, turmeric boasts anti-inflammatory properties. Its purpose is to diminish swelling in the body, safeguard cells from harm, and soothe your immune system. When you combine turmeric with sugary cereals, cookies, or pastries, it leads to a clash. Your body is caught in a tug-of-war with turmeric working to soothe inflammation while sugar ramps it up. The outcome? Turmeric diminishes in potency. Moreover, foods high in sugar can lead to increased insulin levels, hinder digestion, and disrupt nutrient absorption. Curcumin is part of that equation. However, that doesn't mean you need to forego your favorite comfort foods. It's all about making more intelligent choices. Consider incorporating turmeric into your unsweetened oatmeal, pairing it with whole grain toast topped with almond butter, or blending it into a smoothie featuring fruits such as blueberries or bananas. If you're in the mood for a touch of sweetness, opt for a drizzle of raw honey or a splash of maple syrup. Just a small amount will do. These options are more natural, less processed, and won't lead to the same blood sugar spike. The key point to remember is this. When incorporating turmeric to combat inflammation, it's essential to avoid pairing it with foods that may trigger inflammation simultaneously. This encompasses the majority of boxed cereals, commercially baked treats, and any products containing white sugar or corn syrup. Just a touch of awareness can make a significant impact. 3 foods that enhance the power of turmeric. Having explored the foods to avoid with turmeric, let's turn our attention to something more uplifting. Unlock the full potential of turmeric for your well-being. Excitingly, the potency of turmeric can be significantly enhanced when paired with the right foods. There's no need for extravagant supplements or costly powders. All it takes are a handful of easy ingredients that you likely have on hand. These 3 foods are more than just safe to pair with turmeric. They enhance your body's ability to absorb curcumin, maximizing its health benefits. Using turmeric for joint pain, digestion, brain support, or heart health. These pairings can truly enhance your experience. Discover the power of these 3 turmeric boosters and find out how to seamlessly incorporate them into your daily routine. 1. Black pepper, the ultimate absorption enhancer. The primary and arguably most essential food to combine with turmeric is likely one you incorporate into your daily routine. Black pepper. Black pepper is enriched with a natural compound known as piperine. Research indicates that piperine can enhance the absorption of curcumin, the key component in turmeric, by as much as 2,000%. Absolutely, that's correct. 2,000%. Your body absorbs only a limited amount of curcumin without piperine. Just a dash of black pepper can dramatically enhance the absorption rate. What makes this significant, particularly for older adults? As we grow older, our bodies gradually lose their ability to effectively process and absorb nutrients. The food you consume is significant, but the way your body utilizes it holds even greater importance. When you blend turmeric with black pepper, you're enhancing digestion and empowering your body to utilize turmeric more effectively where it's needed the most. Your joints, your mind, your body's defense system, there's no need to go to extremes. A mere dash of freshly ground black pepper will do the trick. Stir it into a soothing turmeric tea. Blend it into fluffy scrambled eggs or enhance your soups and stews with a touch of turmeric. While it may not deliver a strong flavor punch, it certainly enhances your nutritional profile significantly. Take a look at this simple illustration. Combine a 4 teaspoons of turmeric with a cup of warm almond milk. Then enhance the flavor with a pinch of black pepper. Mix thoroughly and enjoy it in the morning. Transform this straightforward routine into a daily habit that promotes inflammation reduction, enhances brain clarity, and ensures joint comfort. Additionally, make it a habit to opt for freshly ground black pepper rather than the preg ground-down variety found in a bottle. Fresh peppercorns boast higher levels of active piperine, ensuring superior absorption. Be sure to examine the label if you're currently using turmeric supplements. A growing number of premium supplements now feature piperine, often labeled as bioperin, which is essentially a refined version of black pepper extract. If it's not included, you might not be reaping the complete rewards of the curcumin you're investing in. Keep in mind, turmeric and black pepper are more than just a delightful flavor combination. They form a formidable duo for your health. Always include a dash of black pepper whenever you incorporate turmeric into your dishes. A tiny leap can lead to monumental outcomes. 2 healthy fats enhance the bioavailability of curcumin. Healthy fat is the second powerful partner for turmeric. Curcumin, the active ingredient found in turmeric, is fat-soluble, indicating that it dissolves in fat rather than in water. It's crucial to note that consuming turmeric without any fat may result in your body passing most of it through your system, missing out on the beneficial components. This is essential for older adults, particularly for those dealing with inflammation or joint stiffness. Make sure every ounce of turmeric delivers its full potential. Combining it with the appropriate fats can enhance curcumin's absorption into your bloodstream, ensuring it reaches its intended destination. What exactly do we refer to when we talk about healthy fats? Consider incorporating foods such as extra virgin olive oil, avocados, nut butters, chia seeds, flax seeds, and fatty fish like salmon into your diet. These fats are not only rich but also beneficial, promoting heart health, brain function, and a well-balanced metabolism, all while steering clear of the dangers associated with processed or saturated fats. Discover the best ways to utilize them. When preparing a soup or stew featuring turmeric, incorporate a tablespoon of olive oil near the end of the cooking process for an enhanced flavor. Often referred to as a golden spoon, this powerful combination is particularly beneficial for those struggling with seasonal allergies, sinus problems, or throat discomfort. Honey brings a delightful sweetness, making turmeric more enjoyable without the need for sugar or syrups that can lead to inflammation. Just a quick reminder, if you have diabetes or are monitoring your blood sugar levels, it's best to enjoy raw honey in moderation. While it's derived from nature, it still has sugar content. In moderation, specifically around 1 teaspoon daily, it is typically safe and advantageous for the majority of individuals. If you're seeking a gentle, natural enhancement to your turmeric routine, consider adding raw honey. It's a smart and delicious choice. It enhances your body's ability to absorb essential nutrients and contributes positively to your overall health. As we wrap up this video, I want to express my gratitude to you, not only for watching, but for dedicating your time to prioritize your health. It's easy to overlook that when life becomes hectic. Today, you embraced the opportunity to learn, reflect, and grow. And that is significant. We've explored turmeric in depth, not only its identity, but also its mechanisms, benefits, and how it can seamlessly integrate into your everyday wellness regimen. We've discovered 3 common foods that can hinder its advantages. We delved into 3 natural ingredients, black pepper, healthy fats, and raw honey, that can unleash the full power of turmeric. It's completely understandable to feel a bit overwhelmed at times. Countless tips, warnings, and opinions flood in about what's beneficial and what's not for your well-being. Let's get real. It can be simple. Health isn't about achieving perfection. It's all about making progress. Taking those small, intentional steps each day that guide you toward the right path. There's no need to overhaul everything in one go. Perhaps tomorrow morning you'll blend a dash of turmeric and black pepper into your tea. Consider making the switch from that processed creamer to almond milk next week. Consider reaching for a spoonful of turmeric and honey to ease those stiff joints. Every small decision contributes to the bigger picture. With time, these actions transform into habits. These habits influence our feelings, impacting us both physically and emotionally. Caring for our bodies empowers us to feel more in control. We experience a sense of tranquility. We are empowered. No matter your age, be it 60 or 90, you absolutely deserve that feeling of strength and self-respect. This is something I often express. Aging is an opportunity for growth. It's all about refinement. Your insight is profound. Your experience speaks volumes. Seize this chance to harness your wisdom and embrace a life of intention, making choices that nurture your body, mind, and spirit. If you found this video helpful, I encourage you to share it with others. Pass it along to a friend, a sibling, a neighbor, or anyone special in your life. A single message has the power to transform someone's day or even impact their well-being in profound ways. If you want to continue your learning journey with us, we're ready to support you. Each week on Elders Insight, we deliver considerate, soothing, and actionable guidance to foster healthy aging one conversation at a time. Until we meet again, prioritize your well-being. Your value is undeniable. You have always been that way.